Introduction to Secure Outlook Calendar Sharing.
The following is functionality, can simplify coordination with colleagues or family. However, it's important to share your schedule in a way that protects your privacy and how they access it. In this guide, we'll walk through the safest and most effective ways to share your Outlook calendar, helping you keep control over who sees your information and how they access it.
Why choose safe sharing methods?
Protecting your calendar data prevents unauthorized access to your meetings, appointments, and personal information. Sharing securely means only the intended people can view your calendar, and you maintain control over what details are visible. By using Outlook's built-in features, you avoid common mistakes that can expose sensitive information.
Using Outlook's built-in sharing features.
To share your Outlook calendar safely, use the app's native sharing tools. In Outlook, go to the Calendar view and select Share Calendar. Enter the email addresses of people you want to share with. Then choose the permission level, such as can view all details or can edit. This method ensures only specific individuals get access, keeping your schedule protected.
Choosing the right permissions.
Outlook allows you to set different levels of access. For colleagues, you might let them see when you're busy or free without sharing all details. For family planning, you may want to share more information. Avoid granting edit access unless absolutely necessary. Always review permissions regularly to keep your calendar secure.
Tips for ongoing calendar security.
Regularly check who has access to your calendar and update permissions as roles or relationships change. Never share your calendar by sending screenshots or exporting files unless it's absolutely required and secure. For added safety, use strong passwords for your Outlook account and enable two-factor authentication.
Summary: best practices for secure sharing.
Sharing your Outlook calendar can be safe and convenient when you use built-in features, assign permissions thoughtfully, and review access regularly. Always prioritize privacy and avoid risky sharing methods. By following these steps, you'll keep your schedule both accessible to those who need it and protected from unwanted viewers.